All right, so we got a 22 long rifle and a 16-inch barrel, 17 HMR and a 16-inch barrel, and 22 Magnum in a 16-inch barrel. I went with this ammo right here. We got this 20 grain 17 HMR jacketed hollow point, copper plated hollow point for the 22 long rifle. And these is a jacketed hollow point 30 grain right here for 22 Magnum. We got a 6-pound can. I think it's beans in there. I'll try to get something a little lighter, but we're gonna go with the beans and compare the difference between each round. We're gonna start with 17 HMR first. That's what we're gonna start with this round first. All right, this is what the 17 HMR look like. We're gonna do that one first. Alright, so one right here, and that's the exit right there. And for the 22, we're using these CCI stingers. Alright, so this is where this went in, right here. And look at the exit on that. It barely came out, the 22. Alright, so we're gonna do 22 Magnum. So 22 Magnum, gonna be these right here. And that's what those look like. Alright, so now we got the 22 Magnum. Where the hell did it go in on here at? Yeah, that's some of the metal jacket right there. And that looked like where it went in at. So that was the 22 Magnum, the 22 long rifle, and this was the 17 HMR. All right, so now we're gonna try this piece of wood with the same 3 calibers. It's about 1.5 inches thick. So yeah, we're gonna try that next. All right, so for that piece of wood, I didn't want to do hollow points. Maybe I could still do the hollow points, but I got this total metal jacket right here, full metal jacket here, and this one I think is a solid. It was a plated round nose. So we're gonna do those 3, but I think I'm gonna still do the hollow point first because the wood should be able to hold up on that. I still want to see what the hollow point's gonna do. So we're gonna do the hollow points first, then we're gonna do these right here. All right, so we got 17 HMR first hollow point. All right, so it did hit right here and came out the back. It was moving so fast it didn't even move the wood. I'm gonna have to check it on other cameras, see if they picked it up, but that thing flew through there with no problem. All right, so this is what the full metal jacket looked like. The hollow point went through, but we're gonna do it anyway. Let me double check that one because the wood didn't move the last time. All right, so that's the hit right there. That 17 HMR is moving so fast. The wood is has not even fell down. That was the full metal jacket. So now we're gonna try 22 long rifle. All right, so this one going first, which is that, and then this, what is this? The copper plated hollow point will be second. Okay, I see what that hit. So the hollow point was second, right? But that first one did, I heard it move that. All right, so it should be, which one? Was it this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, because the hole bigger. So this the first one or that's the first one? I can't tell. This the first one, okay. So that's the first one, and it's the second. And yeah, you can see the exit, it went through that. So I know 22 Magnum going through. So now we're gonna do 22 Magnum. All right, so we got the total metal jacket first, and then it's the other one. I don't know if that first one hit. I'm not sure, we'll check though. So the 22 Magnum went in. That's the first one, which was the total metal jacket. And other than the shot was kind of low, we're gonna redo that one. Oh, it went straight through, I seen it. All right, so the hollow point went straight through because I seen it hit back there. So all of those went through. I got a piece of metal. I did it in the video before with the only thing made it through was 22 Magnum. So I want to see if 17 HMR can get through it because that's moving pretty fast. All right, so here's the metal I got. 22 Magnum went through there. I can't remember what ammo we used, but I got the total metal jacket and I'm gonna use that. And I'm gonna just sit it on there. Hopefully, well, I don't think that can should stop it because there's a little gap between. So we're gonna hit the 22 Magnum, then the 17. Got the 22 Magnum total metal jacket. I don't know, maybe we hit the can. Yeah, I seen it fall. I see a little dent down there. I can sit like this. Yeah, let's just do another one because I don't know if it hit the can or that, but I think it might have hit that can. So I know. Okay, 22 Magnum went through. So now we're gonna test out that 17 HMR and see what happened. All right, so we got one of these in here. Let's see what it does. Clear that one. Okay, that went through. Left a nice clean hole. That 17 HMR moving so fast, it barely make the object move. But that's a clean hole. So we're gonna do 22. I know 22 probably not gonna go, but I'm gonna just do it just cause. Hit it pretty hard. All right, so here's the 22 right here. It just left that dent. So you see the hole on the 22 Magnum, 22 long rifle, and 17 HMR.
I see your motivation, I see your movement is in effect. And I fucking love that shit.